Hi, welcome to Forbest Academy. Word roots are highly important in as much as they allow us to understand the meaning of so many of the words that we see on the verbal sections of SAT, SSAT, and IELTS tests. In today's episode, we'll be focusing on this word root, TERR, which basically means earth or land. The first word containing this word root is terrain, which means land or landscape. When you go on a trip, on your first day, you might decide to explore the local terrain. The next word is territory, which means an area of land under the control of somebody or something. Countries have specific rules for areas that are in their territory. The adjective associated with territory is territorial. Territorial behaviors are more common in some species. Bears, for instance, mark some trees in order to show a certain area belongs to them. Our next adjective is subterranean. Sub means under, and terranean contains the word root that we are discussing, terror. So subterranean means existing under the surface of the earth. Lakes, for instance, are connected by subterranean networks of rivers. Subterranean also means hidden. There are multiple reports about subterranean networks of criminals. Now, how about terrestrial? Terrestrial means earthbound. The body structure of terrestrial animals is different from that of aquatic animals. Terrestrial radio is land-based, while satellite radio is extraterrestrial. Extraterrestrial means from beyond Earth. Do you believe in extraterrestrial life, life existing on other planets? Now, here's a challenge. Can you see the link between these two words, terracotta army and terrace? Thank you for watching this video, and please remember to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.